Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could edit simply a picture and remove its background using Microsoft Office Excel. So we'll open our Excel. You will need to go to Insert section in the ribbon and select Pictures. We will select the picture which we want, click Insert. Once the picture has been inserted, we'll just reduce the size for better visibility. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select in the Format section, we'll select Remove Background. Now you can see this little square. I will just drag it up because it's reducing the size of my flower or the picture just to keep the essentials. So I will pull it up. Now that is done, I will just click Mark Areas to Remove, and I will just make sure to select everything which is outside the box. Again, I will just mark a square around it. Now we'll just click Keep Changes, and as you can see, the background has been removed. If you want, you can use this picture as a background of your Microsoft Excel, or you can just save it as a picture if you want. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, please send us an email or just leave us a comment and we'll do our best to help you. Please don't forget to subscribe and to like this video if you find it useful. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.